Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to design an invitation on the Canva application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the prints button next to the videos section and tap the first option, the invitation. Here you have more chains. If you want to add pictures, videos or audio files, just go to the uploads button, and here you can upload images, videos or audio files to the Canva, or go to the gallery section, and here you can find it images and videos from your device. In the elements section you can search different graphic elements, for example stickers, photos, charts, frames and more. If you go to the design section, you can find the different styles and templates which were created by a professional graphic designer, and just select a template and step on it. New, you can edit this template. If you want to change the style of the template, just go to the template style button in the design section and done. You can edit this photo. Go to the edit photo button next to the square icon and you can remove the background, you can add filters and apply effects in the effects section. In the adjust section you can edit the white balance, the lights, the colors and the texture of the picture, and in the crop section you can edit the size of the picture. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.